Hi, this is Justin Ball, the owner of HammerHead Showers, the leader in solid metal shower heads and accessories. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your old shower head with a custom dual shower head. And it's super unique. We'll be using our HammerHead Showers 8-inch rain shower head, our HammerHead Showers handheld shower head set, and we'll be combining them using a shower diverter valve like this one right here. So with your rain shower head, handheld shower head set, and the 2-way or 3-way diverter valve of your choice, we'll get to installing this excellent dual shower head set. The same with any shower head replacement. You'll start by removing the old shower head. So depending on how long the shower head's been on there, you may be able to remove it by hand, or if need be, you can use an adjustable wrench. Simply unthread the shower head, turning it in a counterclockwise motion. Once you have removed the old shower head, it's important to clean the threads of the shower arm. You want to remove any debris, any old Teflon tape, and inspect it to make sure that it's not corroded and that the threads are still in good shape. If the threads are damaged, then you may want to consider replacing the shower arm pipe. I like to use a microfiber cloth to clean the shower arm threads. It just picks up a lot of the grit and helps to remove the Teflon tape. So just give it a good wipe down. Now that you've cleaned your shower arm, it's time to apply new Teflon tape to provide a leak-free seal when installing your shower head. So just make sure that when you're applying the Teflon tape, you go in the same direction as you would when you attach your shower head. So in a clockwise motion. That way the Teflon tape doesn't unravel when you attach your shower head. Starting at the bottom, you'll work your way up the threads, giving it about 4 to 5 turns. And just tearing it away and smoothing out the Teflon tape. With your new Teflon tape applied, we'll start by installing the shower diverter valve onto the shower arm. This is a 2-way shower valve diverter, and it has a rubber washer already inside of the threads, and we'll just go ahead and hand tighten this down onto the shower arm. Now, you'll want to tighten it down all the way by hand and make sure that the threaded piece is pointing in towards your shower wall, or if you wanted, you can have it pointing out towards your bathroom, but I prefer to have it facing in towards the shower wall because this is where we're going to attach our handheld shower head in this fitting, and this is where we're going to attach our rain shower head. So we'll start by attaching the handheld shower head holder. This is our solid brass shower head holder, which comes with our solid metal handheld shower head set, and we're going to attach it to the external shower diverter. So we've just tightened the shower head holder all the way down by hand, and it's facing towards the shower wall, which is exactly how we want it. And from here, we will be installing the shower hose. So here's our HammerHead showers shower hose, which includes a rubber washer, so we'll put that inside of the fitting. The hex nut end is the side that attaches to the shower holder, so please ensure that you're installing this end and not the rounded end. With your shower hose tightened onto the shower holder, we'll now install the hand shower onto the shower hose. Place the rubber washer inside of the fitting. And tighten the shower hose to the threaded end of the hand shower. And now we'll dock the hand shower. Now we'll be installing our solid metal 8-inch rain shower head onto the threaded fitting facing forward. The HammerHead shower's rain head has a pre-installed rubber washer, so that will create the seal there. And we'll just go ahead and tighten this down by hand. Now you have your rain shower and your handheld shower head all installed, attached to a two-way shower diverter. And we're going to test it now for leaks. So the area of concern would be the threaded connection that attaches to the shower diverter. Not seeing any leaks there. Second point is the shower diverter itself. Not seeing any leaks there where it attaches onto the shower arm. So now that we have the rain shower head running, we'll show you how to divert to the handheld shower head, which is just as easy as moving this lever. So moving the lever 45 degrees. Simply do that and you'll have adjusted the flow of water from your rain shower head to your handheld shower head. So looking for any leaks where the handheld holder bracket attaches to the diverter. Don't see any leaks there. The shower hose that attaches to the shower holder bracket, no leaks there. And then finally the handheld shower head itself, and don't see any leaks there. If you do see any leaks after running water through it, just remove the component that's leaking, apply some Teflon tape to that thread, and then hand tighten it down. If it continues to leak, you can use an adjustable wrench or pliers to give it an extra turn to tighten it down even more on the threads. But when using a wrench or pliers, please use a cloth to wrap the thread so you don't damage the finish. Thank you for checking us out at HammerHead Showers. We hope you enjoy your custom dual shower head.